Hi Marias! In this video, I will be reviewing Squad Cosmetics products. I have here the BB cream, face powder, and the multi-purpose mousse cream. I will do 3 wear tests. So first, I will apply the BB cream using only my fingers. Second wear test, I will be using a damp sponge. And the third wear test, gagamit tayo ng primer before using the BB cream. I have combination oily to dry skin. Tignan natin kung sino ang hindi masyadong mag-oil up sa atin at the end of the day. By the way, my name is Tia and welcome to my channel. So in this 3 wear test, gagamit tayo ng face mask and face shield since yun naman ang new normal ngayon. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump to wear test number 1. So I just pump once and then I will just apply this on my bare skin. So as you guys can see, itong BB cream in tan has yellow undertone. So, perfect siya for morenas and for those who have olive skin. Usually, ang problem ko dito, nakaka-trigger yung mga ganitong mababangong cosmetics sa mga tulad kong may skin asthma. Kakulay ko ba siya? Oo, diba? Sobrang kakulay ko. So, after that, we are going to set it with the Squad Cosmetics pressed powder. And guys, I forgot. Nag-powder na tayo, hindi pa tayo nag-cheek tint. Oh no! Multi-purpose cream. I'm gonna use it as a cheek tint. And as you can see, ito yung packaging. Yung ingredients niya nakadikit dito sa plastic niya. So, if you remove the plastic packaging, hindi mo na alam yung ingredients pag naitapon mo na itong plastic na ito. So, I will try to use this over the pressed powder. Don't try this at home. Sobrang dami. Ayan guys, so this is my finished look and samahan niyo ako sa mga errands ko for today and see kung kumusta ang wear test nitong Squad Cosmetics products. Hi guys, pupunta ako ng school, kukuha ako ng libro and magbabayad na rin ng tuition ng anak ko. So yan lang naman ang errand natin for today. Feeling ko tagaktak na yung pawis ko sa loob ng face mask. Face update guys. Ayan, medyo oily na yung mukha natin. Tingnan natin under the mask. Grabe. Look, grabe yung oiliness ko. Oh no! At mga Maria, ito na ang ating final face update. Mga 8 hours na itong nasa mukha ko. And makikita mo naman na super oily ko na lalo na sa T-zone ko. Dito, dito. And never akong nag-retouch. Nag-blot lang ako 2 times. Let's compare yung itsura niya nung bagong lagay and now. So for our second wear test, we will use the BB cream using a damp sponge. Mamasa-masa pa siya. So after applying, we let it dry for a bit. Then let's apply the multi-purpose mousse cream. And then we will use the Squad Cosmetics powder to set our face. Alright guys, this is my finished look for wear test number 2. And hindi na tayo magli-lipstick kasi hindi pa ako nag-brush. Hindi na ako magli-lipstick dahil so guys, let's get going! Ay, jump ako. been about 9 hours na suot-suot ko tong makeup ko under the face shield and the face mask. Sa bahay ako magtatanggal and titignan natin kung kumusta itong BB cream, face powder, and multipurpose cream. Hi, it's 10 o'clock p.m. and it's already 11 hours since we first applied the makeup and I never blotted. Pero makikita nyo naman yung oily spots natin sa T-zone. For now, ang feeling ko medyo makati na dito sa banda sa kilay ko rito. Dito sa natakpan ng face mask, medyo makati na rin siya. So, try natin i-blot kung meron pa rin mga natirang product. Sa nose natin, kung saan maraming oil. Ayan, medyo wala na. Siguro dahil naka-face mask tayo, nag-transfer na siya doon. Okay. So, medyo mas maraming transfer sa noo kasi hindi nga ako nag-blot the whole day for 11 hours. So, as you can see, wala masyadong oil sa cheek area ko kasi I have dry, sensitive skin. And as you can see, meron tayong mga namuong dry patches dito. Tsaka dito sa kabila. Ito. Ayan, nag-start na siyang kumate. Gawa na rin siguro ng face mask na suot ko after wearing it for 11 hours and not blotting. Syempre may halo na yung pawis and everything. So, kaya siguro kumatikati na sa banda dyan. It's our third wear test, guys. So, for today, gagamit muna tayo ng primer before applying the BB cream. And this is the No Shine Mattifier by Quick Effects. And tested ko na to. I've been using this on other foundations and di talaga siya masyadong nag-oil up sa akin. And for the BB cream, I'm still gonna use damp sponge. So what are we waiting for? Let's... Alright, so let that set for a bit before we apply the BB cream.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is my finished look. So it's already 2:30 p.m. and tignan natin kung gaano tatagal bago tayo mag-oil up. Face update guys, so it's been 3 hours since nung in-apply natin yung BB cream under the primer and kita nyo naman 'di ba, hindi pa ako masyadong nag-oil up. Final face update guys, so it's already 1:30 a.m. and it has been 11 hours since we applied our makeup and tignan nyo naman guys. Wow! Diba? Hindi masyadong nag-oil up yung face ko when we used the primer before the BB cream. Ang nice niya. So far this is the best result for me. Meron lang tayong slight oily spot sa T-zone natin. Pero makikita nyo naman, parang fresh pa rin tayo. And yung mousse cream natin, meron pa, nakikita pa natin yung blush on, nakikita pa natin yung sa mata. 'Di ba? Pero medyo parang nabura lang onte dito sa part na ito. Kasi dyan nakasabit yung face shield natin kanina. Iba-blot na natin siya. Tingnan natin kung may mga products pang natira. Hindi pa rin ako nakabili ng blotting paper. Ilang beses ko na lumabas, hindi ka bumili. Moment of truth. Taran! Nga pala guys, I never blotted for the whole 11 hours. So without further ado, let's jump now to our wear tests comparison. So here are my final thoughts about these Quad Cosmetics products. In the first wear test, hand application, medyo mabigat siya sa face. You can really say na may nakalagay sa mukha mo. I blotted 2 times within 8 hours and still I looked oily. And yung mousse cream na ginamit for blush, halos burado na din. By using the hands kasi, we achieved a concentrated application, kaya most likely, most of the product ay napunta sa face. So, second wear test, damp sponge or beauty blender application, medyo mas lightweight ang finish niya compared sa hand application. I never blotted the whole day. I still look quite oily, especially sa T-zone area, and yung blush halos wala na din, tulad nung first application. I think mas naging oily ako with the hand application versus the damp sponge application. Most probably, hindi 100% ng products nailagay sa face. Kasi yung ibang product na-absorb na ng sponge. So, sabihin na natin, 70% lang ng product ang nailagay sa face and medyo na-diffuse pa siya ng tubig ng sponge. Kaya, mas swabe ang finish. Kaya, siguro, at the end of the day, hindi masyadong oily compared sa first. Now next, the third wear test, using a primer plus using a damp sponge. In the last test, nag-primer muna ako bago mag-apply ng BB cream, mousse cream, and powder. Lightweight feeling din siya, pero mas dry and tight yung feeling ng skin. I never blotted the whole day, and as you can see, hindi ako nag-oil up masyado. And makikita nyo may coverage pa din, and meron pa rin yung blush and yung eyeshadow na nilagay ko using the multipurpose mousse cream. So, pareho lang pala siya ng effect when using a primer before the foundation. Hindi huhulas ang makeup pag nag-primer ka. Cons, transferable ang products, lumipat sa face mask at sa nose holder ng face shield, and it might cause irritation to sensitive skin types because of the scent. And pros, it's very cheap, it's travel friendly, they have wide color range. It has SPF 20 and may slight white cast siya sa akin. It has a dewy finish, so it's pro for dry skin and con for oily skin. But you can always use the pressed powder to mattify it. So, ayan mga Marias, dahil maganda ang result ng wear test number 3 sa atin, ire-recommend ko na lang na gumamit ka na lang ng primer before applying any makeup. Mapa BB cream man yan, mapa foundation man yan. So, nakakatulong talaga to para ma-lessen yung oiliness mo within the day. So, yun lang naman. I hope this video has helped you. And favor naman, pa-subscribe naman. Na-click mo na. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you on the next one. Bye!